Chowder! Whoa. Chowder, what are you doing? Shut up! What? Nebbercrakker's back from the dead.
No way.
Yeah. They leave the keys in here.
You dare me?
Chowder, you're not listening to me. Nebbercrakker's haunting me. All right, his blood is on my hands. And now he's coming back for revenge.
You're really crazy right now. Have you noticed that? I think you're just freaking out because he killed a guy today. Life goes on. For you. Try and relax. Be cool like me.
What's going around? I need your help.
Fine. You want my help?
Yeah.
I got 3 words for you. Trick or treat.
Okay. Whatever. Let's go.
Hold on.
Chowder, come on.
The haunting is subtle, yet really, really boring. Can I go home now?
Chowder, she'll hear you.
DJ. This is why nobody will sit next to us at lunch. I'll go ding-dong ditch the house, and you'll see. No ghost!
Chowder, stop, please! Chowder, I'm serious. Chowder, come back. Come back here, please, Chowder. Come on! Chowder! Come back!
Oh, no! A bottle!
Chowder, put that down. Come back, please!
Hey, DJ, who am I? Get off my lawn!